his old ways.
Get a move on, Diesel!
Diesel, you're making us all late!
Oh dear, don't get steamed up about it.